is your girl Queen Wink, and I'm back. Today I will be doing an individual eyelash look, and the look that I am doing today is the wispy look. This time it's going to be something that's a little cute, a little sassy, full, but not like the megas that I did the last time. This look, I want it to be something that you can wear every day and feel sexy and feel cute and sassy. So the lashes that I'm using right now are the Ardell mediums. I'm setting the base, so I'll be using the mediums to go all the way across the eyes, and then that'll set the base for when it's time for me to do the mega look. I mean, not the mega look. I keep saying mega, not the mega look, the wispy look. So obviously, as I'm going, you will see a few spaces in between. Don't worry about that, because that'll get filled in as I go. So I love doing individual eyelashes. They are quicker. They last a really long time without you having to get a fill. I had a girl that I just did. Her lashes lasted 3.5 weeks, almost 4. When it was time for me to remove them, they were not trying to come off. She only removed them because her lashes begin to grow out, but they still look good. She could have went 4 weeks for sure, hands down. When I used to do the lashes in New York, at my salon, those girls used to wear those lashes for 4 weeks, never complained, and I think that's probably why I had so many clients, and they were very loyal. They used to always come to me to get their lashes done. So not only with getting individual eyelashes do you get a bang for your buck, you don't waste a lot of time, and they last for a really long time. Now, it is one thing that I will say: when you're a person who's not used to wearing eyelashes, and definitely individual eyelashes, for the first 2 to 3 days, they may feel a little uncomfortable. They may feel a little tight, but not unbearably tight. But they may feel a little uncomfortable because, they're on your lashes and they are added, kind of close together. So it may be a little bit of uncomfortability, but once that subsides and goes away, that's fine. So as you see, we have both eyes done using the Ardell mediums. Now I'm about to go in with the medium 3Ds, the medium 3D lashes, the Eye Envy ones, and I'm gonna go in with the 20Ds. I love the 20Ds. So with these, I'm gonna go 20D, 3D, 23, 3D. I said 23, 3D, 20D, 3D lashes. I'm going to kind of alternate so that we can get that wispy look. So remember where it looked like there was a lot of glue, it's not going to look like a lot of glue right now. And remember where there was spaces, the spaces get filled in by me adding the lashes for the wisp. I really enjoyed this look. I can't wait for you guys to see what it looked like when I'm done. But look at that eye. That eye is giving wisp. About to go over here and complete the other eye. But I really, really like this look, and I really like the fact that I'm able to achieve an individual eyelash look by using individual eyelashes. The look that I meant was eyelash extension look. Listen, let me tell y'all something. Trying to record while you are watching a video, this isn't easy, okay? Okay, it's a little tongue-tied, and I'm going to keep the bloopers because it is what it is. But anyway, take a look and watch this. I'll be right back. Yes, so welcome back. So as you see, that wisp is giving. Yes, yes, yes. And of course, you know I'm never done without my nano. I don't really need the nano, but I do like to bond the lashes just to give it a bond. And I think that probably does help to keep the lashes going for almost 4 weeks. I really, really love them. And I really love the nano. I think it's a cute little way to end the service. But yes, take a look at how that's looking from the top. It's wispy, it's pretty, and it's not too much going on, and it's giving what needs to be given. I think it's giving the look of an eyelash extension. Let's take a look all the way. Here it is. Look at that. Okay, and there we go. She loved them. I think she had the perfect eye for this. Look at that wisp. Yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. It's your girl, Queen Wing. Bye.